Hello and welcome to the weekly series of Ingram Micro Cloud. My name is Pritesh and I am the Cloud Business Manager for the region. Today I am accompanied by a very special guest. His name is Prasad Purushothaman and he is our Solutions Architect for the IoT and AI division. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
How are you doing today?
Very good.
Okay, so here today we are doing this for the first time. We want to talk about this next wave of solutions which fall under the umbrella of IoT. Now to begin with, for a layman, can you explain what is IoT?
So for IoT, for a layman, I would say is connecting things, manage, control, and get a meaningful data out of it.
Okay, so in what context is IoT going to be applicable for us as businesses and as consumers?
From a consumer perspective, it's gonna be, I would say it's gonna be a massive next generation technology which would help them to ease their day-to-day life. I would like to give you an example. It's like, how about we all drive cars, right? How about you have someone who monitors your cars, exactly know what's going on in your car, right? Getting your cars connected and gives you notification on your phone when a predictive maintenance is required on your car, right? So it of course it is going to ease your life, right? It will reduce the number of accidents, downtimes that happens, right, with this vehicle.
Right.
So of course it's gonna be a massive plus with 5G coming in next couple of years, the adaptation that we see, it's gonna bring a massive change.
Right. So we are talking about connecting any form of device. You know, in your example, you mentioned a car, but in reality, it could connect anything that we want and generate meaningful data out of it for people like us to take the most benefit out of the entire analysis, and as a result, improve our lives, improve
Absolutely.
our daily life. Okay, so that's a good way to put it with respect to what IoT is. The second thing that I want to come to is asking you about for enterprises, for businesses that we operate with today, what are the use cases that are leading the way with respect to adoption of IoT? So if you can name a few use cases, it will give a better understanding to our channel with respect to how they should even start learning about this and venture into the market with respect to these solutions.
In fact, there are many use cases, right, and these are specific to different regions that we see. There's a lot of traction. Now, if you look at Middle East as a region, we see a lot of tractions around fleet, right? People who have large fleets, they want to control their fleets, they want to manage their fleets, they want to optimize the operations, they want to reduce the cost. These are some of the advantages that IoT brings for businesses. Right, so fleet management, we see a lot of tractions around that. Of course, under fleet management, there are different segments of customers. So you look at smart cities where governments want to control the public transportation.
Right.
They want to make sure that all the fleets are connected, so they get a visibility about what is happening on the road.
Right.
You have the cameras connected, right? So you do analytics around when an accident happens, how to respond faster to a emergency. Right. So all those are different use cases around fleet management, right, for different businesses.
Correct.
For manufacturing, if you see, right, they want to get a visibility about what is happening in their production line, right? How is the performance of the machineries? Where is the bottleneck? How do you improve your operations around that? how do you have preventive maintenance, right?
Yes.
So it would eventually increase productivity.
So that's all for today. I was in conversation with Prasad, our solution architect for our IoT and AI team. And until the next one, this is Pritesh signing off from your channel, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. If you have any questions or if you have any queries with respect to the solutions and use cases that we discussed today, you can always reach out to us with the email addresses and the links in the description below. And we hope that we can help you drive business use cases for IoT leveraging cloud in the future. So thank you everyone for listening, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prasad.
Thank you.